Good morning, students. Welcome to pre-recorded online classes. In the last class, we discussed about measurements and distances. How we measure things in our daily life, we have seen in the last class. In this class, we are going to discuss about motion, types of motion, and examples related which we are daily observing in our life. Those are all we are going to see in this class. Okay. First, motion. What is a motion? Do you know, children? Yes, motion means motion is nothing. It is just motion means movement. Moving. Okay. What is motion? Motion means moving. Motion means moving. Movement of any objects is nothing but moving. This is only for uneducated people. Others, those who are not studying science, they are telling that motion is nothing but moving. But we are as students now, we have to tell what is motion. Motion, the change of position of an object with respect to time. Understand? With respect to time. Within certain time, any objects which may varies its distance. Okay, that is what? Motion. Okay, what is motion? The change of position of an object with respect to time. Look here, children, once again I will tell you what is motion. It is very, very important for 1 marks. 1 marks question. This is motion, the change of position of an object with respect to certain time. Here time is whether it is seconds, minutes, hours, weeks, days, years, decades, centuries, like this. Okay, that is what time. But here we are going to see only for seconds or minutes or hours. Understand, children? And the next concept is types of motion. What? Yes, types of motion. Types of motion. Do you know, children, which are the types of motion? Yes. See, before going to those types, first I will tell you certain examples. See, daily you are coming to school by bus or your own vehicles. Yes or no? Yes. You are coming by your home to our school. There is no shortest distance. There is no straight path. Do you know how you are coming? Suppose it is your school. Okay, here is your home. How you will come to school? By walk or by vehicles? You are coming by like this. See here, like this. This is the way. Okay. See here is a student. This is the school. Here they want to join. How they will join? How they will reach the school? See here. Just look at the way, look at the path of the students coming to the school from the home. See, here he will come like this. Okay, see here. This is like this. Here, is it a straight? Is this straight line, children? Is this a straight path? No. This is what type of the path? This is a curve shape. Okay, this is just like a curve shape road. Got it? Such type of motion is known as or called as curvilinear motion. That is a second type of the motion. Then what is the first type of the motion? Dear students, during the parades, especially police, armies, okay, by the time, see how they will march fast. How the parade will move. Do you know how it will move? Yes, it moves from beginning to till end of the parade. They will move in a straight path. Okay, such type of the motion is known as linear motion. Okay, first one is linear motion. Got it, children? Linear motion is nothing but line. Line is what? It should always moves in a straight path. Okay, that is what linear motion. For one more example for that, a car is moving on the road in a straight path is an example for linear motion. And also see, children, railway track. Do you know what type of the motion is that? Yes, we have seen the straight path. That is also example for linear motion or straight motion. Did you understand? Next, curvilinear motion. What is the meaning of curvilinear motion? I told you. Curvilinear means it is not in a straight. The motion which is not in a straight path is called as curvilinear motion. What is linear motion? The motion in which the object moves or a person moves in a straight path. Whatever the objects moving in the straight path is called linear motion. Whatever the objects they move in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. Got it, children? Okay. Next, another type of the motion is What is another type of the motion? Yes, that is circular motion. What is this circular? Circular means rotating circularly path. In the circular path, an object is. Here is an object. See, here is an object. If you rotate this one circularly, it may rotate like this. This is what? Circular motion. Understand? One more example is, in the olden days, people are extracting oil by ox. Okay, oxes, buffaloes, something else. Even though they are producing, and also producers separates the grains from rice stalks. Did you know that? Yes, this is what? Circular motion. And also a fan is rotating motion. That is in circular path, it is rotating. That is also an example for circular motion. That means circularly it is rotating. That is called circular motion. Next, one more example, that is one more type of the motion, that is what? Yes, pendulum. Take a pendulum. Pendulum means it will be oscillate. Oscillation means what? To and fro motion of an object is called oscillation. For example, see, here is a bar pendulum. If you rotate this one, it will be rotates. In the ancient period at home, pendulum will oscillating to and fro motion of an object. That is what? Oscillatory motion. That is example for pendulum. It is an oscillatory. Oscillatory motion. That is what? Pendulum. To and fro motion of an object, that is called oscillatory motion. And the next, periodic motion, which is nothing but also periodic motion. What is periodic motion? They say the clocks hanging on the wall, there for every hours it may rotating. It may ring the bell 1 or 2 times or depending upon the hours. Okay, that is an example for periodic motion. And the next, these are all examples in the clocks also. Dear children, you may going to temples well. Okay, in the temples they are hanging the bells. Okay, when you are touching in the bell, that is also there. What happens? Periodic or oscillating each other and makes noise. That is an example for pendulum. Okay, pendulum or what? Pendulum are nothing but periodic motion. Understand? These are all examples for motions of different types. Let us learn once again about these concepts. First, motion. What is a motion? Yes, motion is the change of position of an object with respect to time is called motion. Okay, and types of motion. See children here, first linear motion. What is linear motion? An object which moves always in a straight path is called linear motion. For examples for the linear motions are, okay, a car is moving in a straight path, or March 1st parade during the national festivals. Okay, next, curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion means the object which moves in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. Understand? Examples for curvilinear motion. Examples for curvilinear motion is, you are going to your home from school to home. Okay, or else you are coming to school from your home. Or else, yes, when you are getting down or getting into the buses, by the time also you should not go in a straight path. Understand? When you are purchasing the vegetables in the market, by the time also you never go in a straight path. You are going and asking in a curved path, a shortcut. Okay, these are all examples for what? Curvilinear motion. Next motion, that is circular motion. Circular motion means an object which rotates, which circulates at a fixed point is called circular motion. Understand? Circular motion. For example, fan. A fan is rotating, or in the ancient period they are extracting the oils and some other grains from the animals from the fixed point. They are tying the thread at the fixed point and rotating on the necks of the oxes and other animals, and they push them to move, and by the time they are surrounding and circulating. That is an example for circulatory motion. And one more is oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? What is an oscillatory motion? Oscillation is nothing but going and coming back of an object. That is nothing but the to and fro motion of an object is called oscillatory motion. That is, for example, pendulum is also an example. Periodic motion. Okay, periodic means it is continuously. Period means continuous. The object rotating or moving continuously to respect to time. That is called periodic motion. Did you understand, children? Yes. See, this is what types of motions and measurements and distances. In the next class, we are going to discuss about certain things, certain topics about this. Okay, this is what motion. Thank you, children. Okay, students. Now I will give you some important points on the board. You have to take it. Okay. First, motion. What is a motion? The change of position of an object with respect to time is called motion. Okay. Next, types of motion. Types of. In the exam, they will ask for 3 marks. That is, what is motion? Explain the types of motions. Okay. First one is linear motion. What is linear motion? Say, an object moves in a straight path. Okay, an object moves in a straight path is nothing but is called linear motion. Okay, for example, which is an example for linear motion? Is a girl moving in a straight path. Okay, or a car moving in a straight path. Dear children, in the exam they will ask what is linear motion, given examples. You should not write only this, a car is moving in a straight path. Not only this, you have to write plenty of examples, whatever you are observing in your daily life. Suppose a light ray travels always in a straight path. Do you know? Light is also always moves in a straight path. During the parades, in the national festivals, as well as in the exercises, when the parade starts from the beginning till the end, they will perform in a straight path. That is also an example for linear motion. Okay, and also when the train travels on the tracks, that is also an example for straight path. Okay, did you understand? Hope you all understand. That is what examples for linear motions. Whatever you are observing in your daily life, you have to tell. Okay. Next, curvilinear or curvilinear. Curvilinear motion. What is meant by curvilinear? The name itself, curve. Curve means what? Not a straight. The motion which is said to be not in a straight line is called, or else the motion which is said to be curve is called curvilinear motion. The motion which is said to be curve is called the same curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. Got it? Next, for example, what is the example for curvilinear motion? Yes, a car moves in a curved path. A girl moves in a curved path. Okay. A boy moves in a curved path. Whatever you want, you write. Okay. Next, circular motion. An object which rotates or circulates. An object. What is the meaning of circular motion? Is an object which rotates, which circulates at a fixed point is called circular motion. Circular motion. Example for this: a fan. A fan is circulates. How the fan will circulates? Yes, the fan is circulates in a circular path. In physics, we are telling how the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Circular, in the same way, circular motion also occurs. Next motion, that is pendulum, that is periodic motion. Period is exactly one after one, simultaneously. Okay, that means what? An object in olden days we are using what? Wall clocks. In the every periods, every hours after the longer nail will periodically moving from right to left. Okay, or clockwise. That is what? Periodic motion. The to and fro motion. To and fro Motion of an object. Motion of an object. This is what? Periodic motion. Example, periodic motion, pendulum. Pendulum clock. In PU level, you are going to learn about bar pendulum. Okay, that will be rotate, going, coming back. That is what? Oscillation. Okay, such type of the motion is known as periodic motion. Those are all examples for periodic motions. Got it, children? In the last class again we learned about measurements. Okay, daily. See, children, in the last class so many students made misunderstood what that we are measuring liquids in a liters. Okay, milk is a liquid which is measured in a liters. Even petrol, kerosene, diesel, these are all we are measured by what? Yes, liters. And vegetables, apple, fruits, these are all measured by kilograms or kgs. Got it? And then the shortest distance between the two objects. For example, while you are going to construct any geometrical objects on your notebook, that is there we are using rulers or scales. Okay, and also how to measure the length and breadth of a classroom. Length and breadth of a classroom we are measured through meters. Okay, meters. Meter is an instrument which is used to measure the shortest distance. Suppose how to measure, what is the instrument used to measure the distance between two places? For example, here to your Chalakere, or here to Chitradurga, or here to some other place, Bangalore. How we are measuring? Yes, there we are using the measurement that is what? Kilometers. Got it, children? Okay, thank you. In the next class we are going to see about the question and answers of this lesson. Or else hope you all understand and you may prepare your notes. Okay, thank you, children.